Welcome to Bike Plus, the channel that brings you the latest updates from the world of motorcycles and dirt bikes. Today, we take a closer look at the brand new 2026 Yamaha YZ250X, a machine built for riders who demand performance, durability, and pure off-road excitement. This year's model brings refinements in design, engine tuning, and rider comfort, making it one of the most competitive enduro bikes on the market. Engine and performance. The 2026 Yamaha YZ250X retains its legendary two-stroke, 249 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled engine, but Yamaha has refined the power delivery to suit a wider range of conditions. Engineers have focused on stronger mid-range torque, making the bike more versatile across trails, tight corners, and long stretches. Its lightweight frame allows for razor-sharp handling, giving riders the confidence to push through technical terrain. The 6-speed wide ratio transmission has been improved for smoother gear shifts, ensuring optimal power whether you're climbing hills, sprinting on open tracks, or tackling rocky paths. Suspension and handling. Yamaha continues to rely on KYB suspension, known for its precision and durability. The 2026 YZ250X features updated spring rates and damping settings, enhancing stability without compromising comfort. This balance makes it easier for riders to handle both fast sections and challenging off-road conditions. The lightweight aluminum frame ensures strength while keeping weight low, providing a responsive ride that adapts to every rider's style. For riders in America and Canada, these upgrades promise dependable performance on both racing circuits and natural trails. Design and ergonomics. Visually, the 2026 Yamaha YZ250X carries the aggressive Yamaha styling with new graphics, bold colors, and a slimmer body design for improved rider movement. The updated seat profile and handlebar placement are tailored for long riding sessions, reducing fatigue. Yamaha has also focused on ergonomics, ensuring that the bike feels natural and responsive during aggressive maneuvers. The narrow fuel tank and compact chassis improve grip and control, especially in demanding racing environments. Technology and features. While the YZ250X remains a pure rider's machine, Yamaha has integrated subtle yet effective updates. The clutch system has been reinforced for reliability, and the lightweight braking setup has been improved for stronger stopping power. Riders will also appreciate the newly designed air intake system that boosts engine efficiency without adding weight. Together, these refinements create a machine that feels modern, durable, and race-ready. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha YZ250X stands as a perfect example of Yamaha's dedication to improving performance bikes year after year. With its balanced engine power, upgraded suspension, and rider-friendly ergonomics, it is built for racers, adventurers, and trail enthusiasts alike. Whether in the forests of Canada or the open dirt tracks of America, this bike,